do you mean hypnotized? What do you mean hypnotized?
Tonya, at the agency, Jimmy there. You're good.
Alright, yeah. Bubbles, what do you mean hypnotized?
It's when somebody puts you in a trance. Like, you don't know what you're doing until them wake you up from that trance.
I know what hypnotized mean. But Mr. Mullins hypnotized the woman?
Yes, Tonya.
Yeah, it's real.
So, I'm not sure alone them something that come in them something that real?
Yeah. And something what happened from in the 1950s. And like different agencies use it when they want them agents to carry out dangerous assignments.
Suppose the whole of we in a one chance. And Mr. Mullins hypnotize we and we don't know. I don't like how I feel.
Tony and sweetheart, that's not how it works. It's not everybody can be programmed like that or on that level. It's only for the nightmares. As I said earlier, it's only when they want you to execute a dangerous mission that them hypnotize you.
So that I word?
Bossy, that legal? The people them do it willingly?
Listen, it happens in different cases. For some people, it's when they've got through traumatic situations. And for some, the ones that got through the traumatic situations, that's how them code them. And for others, they want them to endure pain and not give out information.
But that come like you create a weapon.
Exactly. A human weapon. And when those persons are carrying out assignments, them not have no remorse and them not have no emotions.
So them just do things and blind to reality. You know, say, sometimes when me a move, me I wonder how me a move. Like, see there?
T, come on. You overdo it now, man.
No, whisper, see there? Oh, attorney. You get what me I say?
Tonian, you are okay. If you did program, you would know.
That means certain illegal then. And that's why it's a under the table program. But me I wonder what to the ones who have families.
Usually whisper, persons who them get for do that program here, they are ones that don't have any families.
So this black pearl woman who only talk about, she not have no family?
Not based on what I say on the files. She and her stinger, not have no family. And the other 6, not have none either.
So that mean if me never meet my mother, are the same thing would happen to me?
That wouldn't happen to you. Because you have to show potential, say, you can get dark.
I'm glad for know, say, you won't be a candidate once you have family.
The nightmare program, yeah. We can't continue with it. It's not safe. We have to disband it. Especially with what we see that happened the other night.
I agree with you. The ball in your court. So do what you have to do.
What happened the other night?
Kareem, right?
When you see your face light up.
You can't go take the call.
Hi, baby.
Bossy, we just think on you to yourself.
So where you there now? Okay. So we talk so far. Of course, I miss you.
Him no look program. It's almost like him did want to say something to me.
You might be right, you know? Because the way I'm coming, the tactical way I'm coming, I did really expect him to engage. So, me, myself, did I worry about it. I did have to prepare for anything.
Minister Daly wouldn't have a clue how close him come.
I never am alone there, you know? He did have company.
What? Company?
The nurse did there. And I'm lab too. So she first did I get it.
Good. We have something now. Minister Daly is having a extramarital affair?
But that not go hold on water, boss. And I like to we have pictures or any kind of video. We don't have proof.
But now we can set Tony on to task and make she get all of that.
Babe, I not go do that. I not go send no picture. Listen, I not do it. All if you did eat it, it's still a good day, babe. I not have this argument with you over the phone. When you come, you see it in person. You have to see it in person, okay? I'm not sending a picture.